All right, so we got this Crf 70F. I'm used to just calling them like a XR 70. That's what I grew up with, XR 50s, 100s. So we got a flat tire again. So you can see, she is flat. And this is probably the third time now I changed this. It's getting old, but let's get this changed. All right, remove this tire. We're going to loosen these a little bit. The same on both sides. This is a 19. And this is a 14. Take that nut off. Take that off. And we'll give it a little tap tap just to get it started. Right out. And then just to keep things in order, you know, if you never did this before, you put these back on in the order they came off. You're gonna have a spacer here. There's the spacer. You can note how that comes off. And then the brake. The brake just comes out like that. Now for the fun part. Curious to see where the hole is. If they actually, of all the times I repaired this tube, one was a nail, and then one was a low tire that the pressure then just ripped the valve stem off. I'm gonna have to double foam my needlers. This foam's wearing out. Alright. We're gonna try and be careful here with the tube, because if we can patch it, we will do so. I didn't take the guts out of this, I should have, but it was completely flat. Coming out pretty quick. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll look, make sure whatever was in there, you can see it right there. I look where the hole is, I look where this is, I line it up on the rim. The hole's right here. Valve stem will go in there. So right around here is where the puncture went through the tire. And you can see it right there. All right, we got the tube. Obviously the tire size is a 3 6x12. It says it on the tire, 3x12. I'll leave a link where I got these from. I took the guts out. This is always the tricky part, to get this valve stem in there like I did. And then let's get a nut on it. I'm kneeling on one end, and sometimes that helps. Obviously, you care about scratching the rim, you would tape them up. I just filled up. The guts aren't in there. Now I'll get the guts. Oh, that's a bad sound. I heard a leak. I heard a hissing, I should say. Let's see. We got, I don't know if it was the chuck hissing. We got 25 pounds. In the meantime, let's get the kit and patch it. Classic patch. All right, these 2-pack of tubes I got are absolutely junk. If you check out the reviews on them here, you'll see it says pretty much good thing I got 2 because one was junk. They started to split at the seams. I didn't know it at the time. I tried to patch them, but I soon realized these tubes were junk. I just throw them out and I'll get the new tubes, which I'll show right here. All right, so we got this tube here. It's a 3x12, stems in the middle. It's a 3 mil, and what a difference between the other two. So let's get this one installed. I might need that. I might not. Wrong. Or I might put that on the rim. Alright, let's get the tube out of here. Now, I wasn't as careful. I wasn't as careful taking it out, so I could have pinched it. Hold it. This is the new one. That's the old one. So feel the difference. Alright, well, let's get this one in here. I wonder if something on here's like, is it pinching on here? Alright, the fun part. Get even a stiffer tube in here. There we go. There we go. Give me a nut. We got it, we got it, we got it. Alright, now we get the whole tube in there. Alright, where's the... Just give it a little shot. You hold it. Okay, good. Get this on it here. Okay. Now, was it this one? Put my finger in there. Hold that. Seems like it's not sealing here. Too much tube. One more time and then I'll put the guts in it. See, it's like... Okay, there's that. Okay. Hold on. I'm at 30, I think. All right, let's get this baby installed. Hard part's over. So here we go. Last time we took this off, I tried to do it this time without. Get the chain over here, up. around, and I'm gonna slide this on.
Like how? I can't get it. Hang on. Like that?
Yeah, get it on, and then we can rotate it. Is it on? Mm-hmm. All right, we should be able to make that work. So here this comes. Lift the tire straight up, slow. Okay.
Now what?
All right. You keep that lined up in there. I'm gonna pry this up. Okay. Slow. So, good. Okay. So you got to figure out which way this goes. It's almost getting to a point where a link is going to have to come out of this. So I can watch it here. I can see it drawing it in. Okay, let's go half turn. I don't know what happened there. What's it at? I'm at 1, 2, 3.
I'm at 4, exactly.
I'm almost at 4. There. Okay. What's it in gear? What's the problem?
It's rusty.
Where?
It's been sanded.
No, it's like the sprocket's off, but this tube already slid. Not good. Yeah, why? How's the chain feel?